did you know what that looked like?
By watching the programme of it. And there was fire coming up.
Was there?
All right then. So we'll come and sit. Oh, that's a good idea.
Right, I go first.
Oh, well,
I think. Okay?
yeah. We'll get to the chairs, and we'll sit and watch your show, and then you have to do the talky bits and then say what everyone's doing.
Am I going to be too close here?
Oh, you might.
No, you're not. You're going to be fine. Because we won't release to come over there. If it looks so it's going to get closer to you.
I'll move.
Yeah. So otherwise you might get the dark and run you. Yeah, and they're going to be so big. I think it's going to be our biggest one.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what.
Right. You're going to talk us through what we've done then, Eleanor?
This was the first thing we had to do. We had to get the cardboard to get it over like this. But then we had to put the white covers around it. But after we had to make sure it's dry before we painted it. So otherwise it would have got mixed and broke into the white. And it won't stay where it was. It wouldn't look like this. So be quiet, Andrew, because I'm speaking. And it was for the first thing we had to try and make what we were going to make.
You did find a creature. You go and stand over there and do the show.
For first, and the first ones didn't have very much bubbles, but the one after that had loads.
And what did we have to do to make more bubbles?
We had to put more oil in. So really it was no point, but then we thought maybe if we tried a few more times we would get better at it. So that's how we knew how to make it like this.
And what's this going to look like?
We're going to have lots of bubbles, and it's going to look like real fire. It's not actually going to come out real fire because we're only pretending. Because I think you can see that we've only got things to wash.
It's going to look like a volcano going up, erupting.
Yeah. Sure. So.
All right then. So what's the first thing we have to put in the pot in the top?
The oil.
Okay. So you put that in.
That's vinegar, isn't it? That you're putting in
Yeah.
there.
And the next thing is the colour. So Andrew, could you pour all the colour in, please?
Okay. Then is it soap?
Yeah. That's good. And then a good squirt of soap in there, Eleanor. That's enough.
Excellent.
Now, Andrew, you ready for the really important bit? You've got to have a really big spoonful. That's brilliant. And in it goes. And here's our volcano.
Wow.
It's gonna ruin our thing.
It's not going to ruin it. It's going to run. That's what it's there for. It's going to run down the side like lava running down the side of the volcano.
Wow. You guys made a volcano.
Yeah.
Look, it's still going. It's alright, doesn't matter. Look, still there's more coming out.
Is that just what the volcano on the telly looked like?
That rubbish.
I should move it out of the way.
Yeah. So. Dad, is that a marriage ring?
It's alright, you can put that there.
So.
It's not his married ring.
It's all like that.
That is just such a cool volcano.
Yeah. Because we had more practice than we thought we would have. So.
That's alright.
There's only a wasp. He wants to see the volcano.
Does he?
Yeah,
He's so impressed with it, that's
he's
right.
interested.
Is he?
Well, you don't normally get volcanoes in our garden, do we?
Oh, that?
All right, you're going to do the bit at the end of the show then? You know how you do the bit at the end where you say thank you everyone for coming,
Thank you for coming.
and then you have to do a bow, and you both have to bow, and we all give you a big clap.
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? We'll have to wait for our volcano to dry out first, but I'm sure we could do this another day.
I want to do it again.
The end.